spread. Don't be shy, Jolene can't wait to meet you for a trailer park Christmas. The Trailer Park Way, with a brand new recipe every day. Sending videos from her trailer. Yeah. She is Jolene Sugarbaker. She is Jolene Sugarbaker. Come and spend the holidays the Trailer Park Way. Merry Trailer Park Christmas. Merry Trailer Park Christmas. Hooray!
Well, hey there, Trailer Park fans. It's Jolene Sugarbaker, the Trailer Park Queen, and welcome to the Trailer Park Test Kitchen. And welcome to Trailer Park Christmas 2018, where I'm showing you how the Trailer Park celebrates the holiday. Well, I have a calendar at trailerparkchristmas.com, and you can follow along and print it out and put it on your fridge. And I see today that it says cheese dip. And, you know, we did a gelatin not long ago from yesteryear. Today's cheese dip is from yesteryear, too, because it actually uses pimiento peppers. And this is actually, you'll see these in olives, but actually it used to be a spread or a dip. And it was called pimiento spread or dip. And we're going to be actually making it on Trailer Park Christmas today. And it actually is a great thing to set out on your buffet table. It's simple to make and it is so tasty. These peppers are tasty. People forget about them. And they're great in dips and also on sandwiches. This is good on a sandwich too. I'm going to show you how to make it up next on Trailer Park Christmas. I'll be right back. Welcome back. Making my pimento cheese spread is really simple. Today I'm using a mixer, and you could probably use a hand mixer too, and I probably should be using the paddle, but I don't know where that is in the cabinet and I don't have time. And what I have today is a half cup of mayonnaise and an 8-ounce block of cream cheese. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the mixer and get that going and check back with you in just a moment. Next up, I'm going to add 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese here. And that is going to make a traditional style there with that. And that's already pre-done. You could probably shred that yourself if you really wanted to save a little bit more money, but this was on sale. I've got 3 ounces of the pimento peppers. I'm just going to dump those right on in there. Now, I have drained those, and actually, we're not going to use the liquid today at all. And you could probably save that and add that to a soup or something like that, and that would be really great. And we're going to add a ½ teaspoon of onion powder and a ½ teaspoon of garlic powder. And I don't measure garlic powder. We're just going to go ahead and add that in there. I do like a little bit of garlic powder there. That does add nice kick to it. And now we're going to add the onion powder, about a ½ teaspoon of that. Now add salt and pepper to your taste. Now, if you haven't made this before, just add a little bit of salt and pepper. You could always add a little bit more later on. Now, if you like it spicy and it does add a little bit of holiday festive color, you can take a actual jalapeno and dice that up. Make sure you take the seeds out of it too, but I've been taking too much heartburn medication lately, so I am not going to add this today, but that is something that you can add to kick it up a notch. Now, just blend it together. There we go. Now I'm just going to put some plastic wrap up on top of this and chill it for a few hours. And now I'm going to taste it in just a bit. And there you have it, my pimento cheese spread and dip. You could use this for pretzels, or you could spread it on crackers, or maybe you could even use it on crusty bread, but it certainly is pretty. It has the red of the pimento peppers, and it's just such a pretty thing to put out on your buffet table. And it's a classic kind of dish that needs to make its way back, because people just don't make it anymore. People used to put it on sandwiches, the little tea cakes, but I want to try this and see what it tastes like. That has a sweet and kind of kick of the peppers and the cheddar, and the mayonnaise kind of rounds it out too. But that is just a great cheese spread. Wow. I know people like fancy cheese, but this is fancy cheese that you made yourself. This would go great on a buffet table. Pimento cheese spread and dip. You can just make it whatever you want on your buffet table. I hope you get a chance to make this. And if you do, send me pictures at jolenesugarbaker@gmail.com. Don't forget to follow me, like me, whatever you do, wherever you find this video. And don't forget to download the free calendar at trailerparkchristmas.com so you can follow along, because I see that there's a video tomorrow, and I see, actually, that there is a craft. That's always a favorite, so tune in for that. Tell your friends about Trailer Park Christmas, and I'll be back tomorrow. Merry Trailer Park Christmas. Bye-bye.
Slap on all your blue eyeshadow. Watch out for that